Hi, everyone. Welcome to the third Hobby Lobby Challenge with Mo. All right. I'm so excited. All right. So here is what it's all about. I challenge you to use those red clearance sticker items. Whatever you've purchased, whether it be dies, ribbon, jewels, whatever it is that you've purchased, that you can make something with, I challenge you to enter this challenge. And what I do is show you a little bit of inspiration of what I've used, and I mostly concentrate on dies. This time I did buy a stamp set, so I'll try and use that stamp set as well. But mostly on dies, you use whatever you want and use this hashtag Hobby Lobby Challenge with Mo, so that way we can all come and see what you've created as well. Then at the end, I will do a giveaway as usual. And it is for the US residents only. So I apologize to all of my international subscribers, but US residents only. And you can enter on the YouTube channel as well as on Instagram. So make sure you use this hashtag so that I can find you. Not the old one, but make sure it's this one so that I can find you, whether on YouTube or Instagram. All right, and so let me show you what I've purchased. And if you see my Hobby Lobby haul, you already know, but I'll be using this, not today, this, and this. Those are the ones that are going to be coming in the next few weeks. However, this is the one that I am using today for your inspiration. And let me just say something about this. Let me bring it up a little closer. As I got to looking at this thing, I said, what in the world was I thinking? I said, this is really ugly. I was like, I don't understand what drew me to this. Whether it was the colors or I didn't know. And it almost went back to the store. But boy, oh boy, am I glad I did not send it back. Because I do have to say, I made the cutest little items. Oh my gosh. I was so happy. So happy. So let me show you what I'm using to create with this. So these are the stamps. I use Just Be Happy as well as Smile. Comes from Cards TV Stamps Mixed Messages. I am using My Favorite Things, Your Crafty Happy Place. I'm using this set. I'm using this as well as this one. I'm using these paper roses, and these really sparkle. And then I am also using this here. And this you can pick up from Paper Trade Ink. All right. And that's if they still have it. I know it was on clearance over there. I'm not for sure if they still have it or not. Or on their big sale or whatever it's called. All right. But anyways, okay. So I made this one first. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh. I fell in love with this thing. I did not put that extra layer on there because I just thought it was too much. I thought it took away from the butterfly instead of added. So I just used that, added a couple diamond dots right there. Oh, and the diamond dots that I am using is this one. It's 5001. And it's the one that has that sparkle to it. And then I'm also using diamond dot stickles. All right. So anyway, so I added the diamond dots all around here, as well as in the flowers of the butterfly. And then I added those diamond stickles right on the tips of the flower, and I used it for the butterfly as well. There goes that die there that you can pick up from Paper Trade Ink. And I did forget to get this die here that I put Just Be Happy on there, but I thought this was absolutely cute. And so there goes the inside. I did finish that up. All right, and then here goes the other one. I know everybody has gone bee crazy this year. So yes, it is so cute. Now this die set has a lot of different elements to it. And I didn't even use all of the elements. I don't believe. I was trying to look for it. I don't believe I used even all the elements, but no, I didn't because it has more flowers there. But I used most of them. Got a ladybug and love bee, love bug and be happy. But yeah, I didn't use the dice, but oh my gosh, it has a lot of elements to it. And so I just used a few out of there, and this turned out so cute. I love that stitching. It's so, oh, what is the word? I mean, you can just see it. A lot of the stitching is just little bitty small dashes, but that makes an impact there. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, and I did forget to get this Elizabeth Craft dash rectangles or something like that. That's what I used there. And I put a piece of black paper in behind there. You can kind of see it just to make that show up a little better. But love it, love it, love it. And then there goes that in the inside. I thought those turned out so cute. Tell me what you think down below. Also, make sure you use that hashtag so that we can come by and see what you've created as well. Oh my gosh, my heart beats for these cards. All right, so that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.